This is FIMI X8 Mini, and today I'll show how you can change the stick controls mode on this drone. So in the beginning, launch the camera view of the FIMI Navi Mini app. Then at the top right corner, press the cog icon to launch settings. Here select this category, so the cert icon from the top, and now simply select what joystick mode you would like to use. So there are 3 modes to choose from, so that's which controls or how you have your controls in the second mode. Now those are the mode 1 controls and mode 3 controls also. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.